Hello guys, this is Z from redcybershield.com, and in this lesson we will be taking a look at if and else statements in Python 3. Now, as we see here, we have two variables, num1, which is set equal to 1, and num2, which is set equal to 2. So let's make an if statement out of this. We're going to say if num1 equals 1, we're going to print yes. So let's run that. But when we run it, it won't work. This is because we have to have two equal signs in an if statement. Now, we should find that it will work. As we see in the terminal, it says yes. So let's go ahead and move on. Now, we're going to make the if statement increase num1 by 1 if it is less than num2. So as we did before, if num1, and we're going to say is less than num2, then we're going to print num1. And then we're going to increase num1 by 1. But how do we do that? Well, there are two ways to do that. We can say that num1 plus equals 1. Or we can say that num1 equals num1 plus 1. And then we're going to go ahead and print num1. So if we run that, we see that it goes from 1 and increases to 2. Now up here, we can also say greater than equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. All of these are valid ways to compare the two numbers. Now let's move on. Now we are told to write an if-else statement to do the following. We're going to test if num1 is greater than num2, and if so, print greater. If not, print less. So let's go ahead and do that. If num1 is greater than num2, we're going to print greater. Now we're going to say else, and we're going to print less. Now if we run it, we see that num1 is less. But if we change num1 to a number that is higher than num2, such as 3, we'll see that it says greater. Thanks for watching. The next lesson will be on the input command in Python 3.